everyone. Last lecture you will start the new point, very important point in pharmaceutical jurisprudence, that is the schedule. In that you will see the first schedule and second schedule. First schedule, it prescribes the list of books specified in Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani system of medicine. Second schedule, it prescribes the standard to the compiled with by import drugs and by the drugs manufactured for sale, sold, stock or exhibit for sale or as distributors. Then a schedule to the rules. In that you will see the schedule A for application to the grant or issue of license. Then schedule B, it prescribes the fees to be charges for test or analysis of sample. Then schedule C and C1, it prescribes the list of biological and other special products. Then schedule D, it prescribes classes of drug which are exempted from certain provision applicable to the import of drug. Then schedule E, it is omitted. Schedule E1, it prescribes list of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani poisonous substances. Schedule F, it prescribes provision applicable to the blood bank. Schedule F1, it is a prescribed production of bacterial as well as a viral vaccine. Then schedule F2, it prescribes standard for surgical dressing. F3 for umbilical taps. Schedule F, it for ophthalmic preparation, standards for ophthalmic preparation. Very important, schedule G and schedule H. G4, it prescribes list of drugs which are required to be taken only under the supervision of registered medical practitioner, and it label with the direction schedule G drug. Warning, it is dangerous to the take this preparation except under the supervision of registered medical practitioner. Then schedule H, it is a prescribed list of drugs which are to be sold by retail only on the prescription of registered medical practitioner. It is a label with direction schedule H drug. Warning, to be sold by retail only on the prescription of registered medical practitioner. Also you will see the schedule I, it is omitted. Schedule J, very important, it prescribes the list of ailments or disease for which drug may not be claimed to prevent or cure. Many of the diseases you will see: AIDS, angina pectoris, diabetes, cancer, blindness, fairness, improvement of height in children or adult, obesity. Then schedule K, it prescribes classes of drug which are exempted from certain provision applicable to the manufacturing of a drug. Then schedule L, it is also omitted. Schedule M, very important, it is prescribed good manufacturing practice, GMP, and requirement of factory premises, plant, equipment, etc. for manufacturing of a drug. In that schedule M1 for manufacturing of homeopathic drug, M2 for manufacturing of cosmetic, and M3 for manufacturing of medical devices. Then you will see also schedule N, it prescribes minimum equipment to the process of pharmacy. Then today remaining schedule we will discuss. In that schedule O, it prescribes provision applicable to the black disinfectant fluid, standard for black disinfectant fluid, schedule O. Then schedule P, it prescribes life period of drug, life period in month, year, it prescribes the life period of drug. Then P1, it prescribes the pack size of drug, packing size of drug. Then schedule Q, it prescribes the list of permitted coal tar color for use in cosmetic and list of permitted color for use in soap. Many of the color, it prescribes the list of permitted coal tar color for use in cosmetic or also in soap. Then schedule R, it prescribes the standard for condoms made for rubber latex intended for single use. Schedule R, it prescribes the standard for condoms made for rubber latex intended for a single use. Then schedule R1, it prescribes standard for medical device. It prescribes the standard for medical device. Then schedule S, it prescribes standard for cosmetics. Many of the standards used in cosmetic. Schedule S, it prescribes standard for a cosmetic. Then Schedule T, it prescribes the requirement of factory premise, plant, equipment and hygienic conditions for manufacturing of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. Very important, Schedule T, it prescribes the requirement of factory premise, plant, equipment and hygienic condition for manufacturing of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drug. Then Schedule U, it prescribes the particulars to be shown in manufacturing records of drug. Particulars to be shown in manufacturing records of drugs. Then Schedule U1, it prescribes the particulars to be shown in the manufacturing records of cosmetics. U4, manufacturing records of drug, and U1 for manufacturing records of cosmetics. So remember one thing also, only change in manufacturing records of drug and manufacturing records of cosmetic. In Schedule U, it shown in the manufacturing records of drug, and Schedule U1, it shown the manufacturing records of cosmetics. Then Schedule V, it prescribes the standards for patent and proprietary medicine. You see the definition of patent and proprietary medicine. So Schedule V, it prescribes the standards for patent and proprietary medicine. Then Schedule W, it prescribes the list of drugs which are marketed under generic name only. Many of the drugs which are in generic name. So Schedule W, it prescribes the list of drugs which are marketed under generic name only. Then Schedule X, very important, it prescribes list of habit forming narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances for the import, manufacture, distribution and sale of which require license. Very important thing, which requires a license for this drug import, manufacturing. Schedule X, it prescribes the list of habit forming narcotic, psychotropic substance for the import, manufacture, distribution and sale which are required license. Very IMP schedule X. Then last Schedule Y, it prescribes requirement and guidelines of clinical trial for the import and manufacturing of a new drug. Last schedule, it is used for prescribed for the guidelines on the clinical trial for the import and manufacturing of a new drug. New drug development, it prescribed in the guidelines in Schedule Y. So these are for today's lecture. Next lecture you will start with import of drug. What is the import of drug and what is the concept behind this import of drug. Then today you will see the Schedule O. Schedule O for black disinfectant fluid. Schedule P for life period of a drug. Schedule P1 for pack size of drug. Schedule Q for coal tar color for use in cosmetic and list of permitted color for use in soap. Also Schedule R, it for standards for condom made for rubber latex intended for single use. Schedule R1 for medical device. Schedule S for cosmetics. Schedule T for it gives the requirement of factory premises, plant equipment, hygienic condition for manufacturing Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. Schedule U for it shown the manufacturing records of drug. Schedule U1 for manufacturing records of cosmetics. Very important, Schedule V, it prescribes the standards for patent and proprietary medicine. Schedule W for it prescribes list of drug which marketed under generic name only. Schedule X, it is very important, it prescribes the list of habit forming narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances for the import, manufacture, distribution and sale of which require license. And last Schedule Y, it prescribes the requirement, guideline of clinical trial for the import and manufacturing of a new drug. Thank you.